Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech review. Today, we're diving into the ASUS C423NA Chromebook, a sleek and portable laptop designed for everyday use. With its 14-inch Full HD display and anti-glare panel, this Chromebook promises a crisp viewing experience without the hassle of glare, making it perfect for work or entertainment on the go. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel Celeron N3350 processor, clocked up to 2.4 GHz, paired with 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM. While it may not be a powerhouse, it's more than capable of handling everyday tasks like web browsing, word processing, and streaming media. The 32 GB eMMC storage provides enough space for essential files and applications, although you might want to consider cloud storage options for larger files. One standout feature is the 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connections. Whether you're working from home, attending online classes, or simply streaming your favorite content, you can count on smooth performance without interruptions. The built-in webcam is perfect for video calls and virtual meetings, delivering clear visuals for seamless communication. Plus, with the included BROEG 4-feet USB extension cable, you have added flexibility for connecting peripherals and accessories. Overall, the ASUS C423NA Chromebook offers a solid combination of performance, portability, and affordability. If you're in the market for a reliable Chromebook for everyday use, this could be a great option to consider. So, that wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.